Hi there! Welcome to Turnout 2020. Thank you for being here and for making phone calls with us. Your time is going to be the difference maker in this critical election year. With that, let's jump straight into how to use the dialer software itself. So this here is the dialer login page. To log in, you'll have to put in your name, your email, and your phone number. So let's do that first and foremost. Next, you'll have to put something in the team section. So here you can put in Turnout 2020, you can put in Women's March, your labor union, really any organization or activist group that sent you here. If you have nothing else to put down, then just drop in Turnout 2020 and click Get Your Login. You'll be taken to a login page that asks for your login ID and password. Conveniently, the system has automatically generated a login and password for you up there, so just copy and paste it into the login and password fields down below. Make sure to copy and paste carefully and not include any unintended spaces, and click Next. The system then asks you to select a service. Here, choose the state that you'd like to call. For today, let's assume we're calling Arizona and select Arizona VBM callers. There's two ways to make calls, using just your computer and using both your computer and your phone. If you're using your computer alone, the script and the voter's information will load up on your computer screen, and you'll hear and speak with the voter through your computer's audio system. If you're using both your computer and your phone together, the script and voter's information will load on your computer screen, but you'll hear and speak with the voter through your phone. If you're using your computer alone, keep this box checked. If you're using your phone along with your computer, uncheck it. For today, let's assume you're using both your computer and your phone, and we'll click Sign In. Since we chose to make calls with both a computer and a phone, now is the time to bring the phone into the process. Take your phone and dial this 865 number on the screen. You'll hear this message.
Please enter your PIN, then pound.
Using the keypad on your phone, enter the PIN on the screen and hit pound. You're now in the dialer, and the dialer is making outbound calls to voters, looking for someone to patch you through to. It usually takes around half a minute for the dialer to connect you with someone. That sound means you've been connected with the voter. You can now have a conversation with them. The voter's name and other personal information is on the top left. You can go through the script and select different options. As you can see, pressing different buttons will produce new segments of script. You can scroll up and down to review your previous selections and change them if you'd wish. To hang up the call, click the red End Call button on the left. When you're ready to move on to your next voter, select one of the next call term codes. If you were able to connect with the right voter, select Talk to Correct Person. If you weren't able to get a hold of them, select No Contact. And finally, if you come across a disconnected number or a really hostile voter, select Remove Number. Any one of these three term codes will take you to your next call as the dialer looks for another voter for you to speak with. And that's it. You're ready to drive turnout with us in 2020. Make sure to email us with any questions or concerns at info@turnout2020.org. Happy calling!